Alright. Let's see. Yo. Take a look at these charts real quick. What's up, guys? What's happening? Tonight we're gonna do something a little different. What's happening? Let's see, bro. I need to add you on. They can hear you, but they can't see you. So let's see. We can fix that. Let's see. Hope everybody has some success in the charts today. Let's see what's going on over here. With right now we're looking at gold. The chart you guys are looking at is gold. If you're wondering what chart is this, it's a XAU USD. Price looks like it has, and we're actually on the 4-hour chart. So, as the Asian session began, looks like we sort of wicked down to create new lower lows below yesterday's low, and right now it's just sort of ranging, trying to see if it can get back into the previous day's range. So that's what we're watching for right now. So to start off, we're just gonna look at some charts and see what's going on. We're gonna bounce back between a few charts, go over some of the news that's going on, and we got a guest speaker on today. So we're gonna go over all that stuff in a second. Right now, I just want you guys to sort of sit back and relax and wait for us to get this thing started right. All right, we'll normally be on till about 8 o'clock p.m. We start at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. We started a little late today at 7:15, and we'll be on till about 8 p.m. tonight. Maybe longer, maybe shorter, just depending on what happens in the market. Everything is not predictable. All right, let's see. Let's see. I see we got a comment in the chat already. What's going on, Mr. Morgan? Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's see. Bro, I'm gonna see how I can add you on real quick. Give me just a second.
Anytime, bro. They ain't even gotta see me, bro.
That's cool. So we're going live. We're gonna go live on Instagram too. So hold on one second.
You gonna run live on your page, right?
Yeah. Okay. All right. All right. You do you have a live pulled up, bro, on your side?
Do I have live pulled up?
Yeah. You don't have to. I'm just asking if you were watching it.
Yes, I'm watching the YouTube live.
Okay. Yeah, that's what I meant. Let's see. Okay. Hope everybody found some success in the charts, man. It looked like gold gave everybody what they wanted today, so you know. Hopefully the day continues. It's still doing what it's supposed to do. Gold sells, right? Okay.
Well, it went down 18-10 today, didn't it?
I don't know. I don't have it pulled up right now. Give me 1 second. What'd you see today, bro? What you see in these charts?
Today, I traded AUD USD and AUD JPY. I missed out on gold today.
Oh yeah.
But I heard it did go down to 18.10.
Okay. Whoop. I moved the wrong guy here.
Take that out and see.
All right. There. Cool. All right, so we're in there. So we're gonna bounce between some charts here in a second. Let's see. All right, yeah. So like it's looking at gold right now. Look like gold trying to break up. But we got our guy John on the I got John on the stream. Genius Mind.
What it do, family?
Yerp. So what chart should we look at today, bro?
I like gold.
You know what, bro? Let's go live on IG real quick. We're gonna end this call and then we're gonna go live on IG. All right.
We're gonna end this call. Go live on IG.
Yo, I'm finna go live right now. How do we go live on the IG? Yo, add a guest. Yeah, we're gonna add a guest. We're gonna add Mr. Damn, how can I? Genius. Am I doing something wrong? Send request. Alright. See if we can get him on. Then we'll get this thing cracking. I just realized something too. Like on this screen here, I don't need you here. So we can do it. Yeah. There we go. Alright. What's up, bro? Waiting for you to get on, bro. Let's see. I tried to connect you, but I haven't seen where you hang on with telling my followers to join. Can you connect, fam? Unable to join. They say you're unable to join. Let's try that one more time. What it do? Alright, we good. Let's do this, man. So I'm looking at a pretty strong support level created on gold right here. Where the at the open today on the 15-minute chart. Just looking at it and it's looking pretty much like a zone of rejection. Any new news came out today, bro? Yeah, any interesting news? I didn't get a chance to click on those links y'all sent earlier. But I know like Bitcoin been doing this thing. Bitcoin been
Bitcoin hit 50,000.
yeah, finally hit 50,000. Let's check out Bitcoin. Bitcoin finally hit 50,000 a day. That's major, yo.
Yeah, let's talk about Bitcoin.
Let's talk about it.
Talk about cryptocurrency.
It's like it's almost like a little mind game going on, right? That Elon playing, but it's a good game to play. But a lot of people, I've been noticing, a lot of people kind of like don't know what to do, don't know how to move when it comes to like buying or holding their Bitcoin. Well, not the Bitcoin per se, but like the Dogecoin and the what is it? I haven't really dived into Ripple yet. So it's like, what do you think about Ripple? I don't know. I've been really just focusing on like
I feel like crypto like Ripple and Litecoin.
yeah.
And those early stages that Bitcoin was in, and I feel like they're gonna follow the same pattern that of exponential growth as Bitcoin did.
I'm thinking the same thing.
I feel like it'll be smarter to invest in crypto like Ripple or Litecoin or something like that, or Dogecoin.
Yeah.
I feel like it'll be more beneficial to invest in those right now than Bitcoin. Bitcoin right now is at the top.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
So this is how I'm feeling. Right? I'm thinking like we got Pat Caldwell said he bought some Ripple today, huh? XRP, that's Ripple, right? He bought some Ripple today.
Yeah.
I think that's a good idea.
YT was talking about
YG?
YT.
Who that?
That's the owner of the trader field.
Okay.
YT.
He was talking about doing what?
Alright, you talking about Ripple XRP.
Yeah, see, I think like Ripple and Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin. Dogecoin is a little bit different because it's in its own lane because of the fact that it's not really supposed to be this real thing. It's supposed to be some kind of parody on all the other cryptocurrencies that's going on. But I think all of those, though, are things to be a part of right now. Bitcoin, though, I feel like is the main one to be a part of. So you got people who are trying to see, okay, well, dang, like Dogecoin just shot up 2,000%. Is it fixing to continue on that trend? No, it's not going to continue on that trend, but it can continue on the trend of moving hundreds of percent per month. Sort of doubling over doubling as these months go on, because there's a lot of conversation behind them right now. I'm looking for my Bitcoin on my screen and I can't even find it on my chart. I got so many cryptos.
Make sure y'all tap that link in Julius' bio.
Yeah.
Live stream.
Yeah.
Live stream.
Yeah, everybody who's on the live stream right now on Instagram, y'all go hit that link in my bio so you can really see what's going on YouTube. This is where we're actually all streaming at. So everyone who's chatting right now on the Instagram, you're actually part of another stream on live stream. On YouTube right now. So yeah. But we're just having a currencies conversation. We're talking about the cryptocurrencies, the actual foreign exchange currencies market. And honestly, any stocks that we want to talk about right now. It's a lot going on. But like I was saying, we was having a conversation earlier about whether or not we should actually, get out of Dogecoin. Because I've been holding Dogecoin since it was at about a penny, and it went all the way up to about 10 cents in value. Now it's down to half a penny, or not half a penny, but 5 cents in value. But at the same time, people gotta understand. We just saw Elon Musk send out a tweet about he wants the major holders of Dogecoin to sell off some of their stocks so that he can potentially, He's saying if a lot of major stakeholders in Dogecoin sold those stocks, that he would participate in Dogecoin in a major way. All right, what that means is, and that can mean two things, right? A lot of people are thinking, man, if he's telling people to sell off, like, should we be selling off? Should we be selling our holdings so that this thing can take off and we can get back in? Or should we be holding our holdings and waiting until Elon makes another big purchase of Dogecoin? He just bought $1.5 billion dollars worth of Bitcoin, right? And the very next day, 2 days later, he's talking about Dogecoin. And he was already talking about it before he bought the Bitcoin. But the very next day and the day after that, he's tweeting about Dogecoin. And he's...
That's creating the FOMO effect.
Yeah, it is. And a lot of people are confused because they're saying, man, why is it going down if there's so much talks going on about it right now? But it just shot up higher than ever before. That was probably due to the Wall Street Bets Reddit group, involvement there, maybe a little bit. Also had a little bit to do with Elon's tweeting and involvement. But it's like, to me, it seems like now is a good time to get in. Man, I just finally found my Bitcoin. Okay, there we go. All right, so, and I already got it sitting down here at the bottom. I'm acting crazy. I got XRP. Right now I got Bitcoin on the board. So Bitcoin right now is sitting at 49,100 on Bitcoin right now. It just came off of the all-time highs. We can see right up here. It wicked up through 50,000 and sort of retraced immediately off of that, but that's giving us new higher highs to break. So that's a target. 50,000 now is the target. So anywhere you're getting to sell or buys below 50,000, you can expect in the next few months that you're going to be in positive territory for the long run. We haven't seen Bitcoin, if we pull back on the 4-hour chart, we haven't seen Bitcoin really go back into the 30,000 range. It hasn't gone below 40,000 in a while. Buy. If we see it going back to 30,000, that means something. So it does not mean to dump your shares. He's asking Dogecoin holders to release some of that. The major holders, the guys who are holding like majority percents of Dogecoin. He's like, y'all. Who's been holding since 50 cents? No, who's been holding since half a penny? Who's been holding for a while? He's like, you release some of that, and we're gonna he's gonna get involved. So, all right, XRP. Let's look at XRP. Guy in the chat said that Pat Caldwell said that he was involved in XRP today. Look like XRP today, or since 5 o'clock, so over the past couple hours. Oh no, I'm on the wrong chart. It's a 4-hour chart. There we go. Okay, yeah. So looks like today XRP has dropped significantly for the past 4 days, or 3 or 4 days. XRP has been sort of coming off of an all-time high. Not an all-time high. When was this? This was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 16 days ago, 2 weeks ago, XRP capped out at 75 cents, around there, something like that.
I'm seeing 77.
How you doing, Dr. Joy? You saying 77?
Dr. Joy is fine.
Yeah. It was that point of the point, 3/4 of a dollar, man. So right now, we got to think. Right now, it's sitting at 51 cents. It's sitting at half a dollar, right? That's the goal. The target for XRP now is to get back to 75 cents. So if we look at it, this place that it's sitting there right now, and we're on the 1-hour chart, so we're gonna draw some levels on this. I don't trade XRP yet, but we are analyzing so that we can get ideas to make us more informative on the topic. It's looking like this area right here is a major area of support, and it looks like a great position to buy Ripple right now. It's looking like a great position to buy Ripple. So
I wonder if Patty still on the line? Did he buy or sell?
he said he bought some. So bro said he just bought it this morning. And he bought it this morning at a perfect time, so he's a smart man. Great job, bro. If you bought XRP this morning, and you probably got in somewhere at about 55 cents, but that's still great positioning. This wick down probably won't be retested, so we can look at the spot that XRP is in now as a support level. And it should continue up. That's my prediction on XRP. XRP should go up. I'm gonna add that to the stream. Let's see. Let's see. We're gonna put buys on XRP.
Taking live trades tonight?
We can do live trades. We just gotta see it. We gotta see it. What's looking like we need to get in. If we're gonna take live trades, I want to take trades that we're going to be actually able to close, hopefully before the streams ends. But that's not always possible. So at the same time, it's always fun when we take live trades. So I'm with it. I'm feeling juiced. So what trades were you looking at today? You said you were in on USD, JPY, AUD, JPY.
I was in on AUD, USD, JPY.
All right, so I just put up AUD, USD. AUD, USD looking like it dropped down and it's creating the areas of a little range here that if it breaks above that area around, if it's able to break above, see, I got this thing in the way. If it breaks above that area at around 0.7745, then we can probably consider buys on AUD USD.
Yeah, I got in at about 776. Day before yesterday, I just rolled it all the way down.
Yep.
Now, I got in at like 0.779 and rolled it all the way down to the broken support of 7760. Rolled it all the way down to 0.775.
So you got in at a pretty good position. You got in at the top yesterday at about when it started to break down. Looks like you got in 779. So you got in here, man. So you got in the middle of the down, like in the middle of the it just sort of jumped off a cliff when you got in. Looked like, yeah, right there. That's a pretty good spot. That's a pretty good spot.
Pat said he just took his Bitcoin profits from August and put half into XRP. That's a smart man.
Okay. Your profits from August. Interesting. Have you been holding Bitcoin since August and you just sort of transferred them over now, or did you get in August? So you've been in Bitcoin since August till today. You've done really well in Bitcoin, if that's what you're saying. So that's nice holding. See, I'm not gonna lie, man. I'm getting new to the Bitcoin. I haven't really been involved with it as much as I've been wanting to be. Or as much as everybody's saying I need to be. And as I can see now, I should have been involved with it more lately. But I think that it's the way to go. I mean, looking at what Elon did, man, with the whole $1.5 billion purchase of Bitcoin and allowing Teslas to be purchased with Bitcoin holders by Bitcoin. That's major, man. That's finna open so many. You forgot you bought it. Oh shit. Yo, bro, that's the best way. That's the best way to that's the best way to do it for real. Like if you're holding for the long term, man, and you've been holding this since August and you forgot about it, you're not counting. You're not counting percentages, none of that stuff. You're just looking at it and you saying, man, okay, I know I put $100, $200, $300 on it, right? And you look at it today and it's sitting at, whoa, and it's sitting at and it's sitting in thousands of dollars in profit, bro. That's the best feeling in the world. What's going on, Cold Boy? Cold Boy join. We're just on here talking some charts, man. If you just joined the live stream on Instagram, go ahead and click the link in my bio so that we can so that you can see what's going on the YouTube live. We're having a live chart analysis, and we're gonna actually do some live trading also here soon. Anything? Also smash the like, of course, on the YouTube and the Instagram. But and also subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you can get the notifications every time we go live, because we do this at 7 o'clock every night. Man.
And I see you woke up on the right side of the bed.
Hell yeah, bro. Hell yeah, that's exactly what you want to see. How you let all this what's been going on these past, like it seems like Bitcoin is the only thing that's been in the news, and all these memes and stuff going on, bro. You forgot that you was involved? Come on. Hey, the light bulb went off, didn't it? He said, oh yeah, I think I bought some. I think I bought some back in fucking 2020. That's what's up. That's what's up. I'm looking at AUD USD right now, and we're really waiting on this. And we're on the 15-minute chart. We're really looking at it, looking for 15-minute candles to close above this range at 0.77. It's nearly 2 in the morning for you right now. You had Bitcoin back in 2017. Wow. Yeah, so everybody's been talking about selling it. Oh, yo, bro, you had a hell of a day. Oh, yeah, bro, had a hell of a day. All blues, huh? All blues. That's what's up. That's what's up. That's what's up. Hey, all blues is the best feeling in the world, man. What's that like? Damn, bro, you been like fucking. What's your win percentage on that, bro?
Shoot, 97% win. It was 79 out of 81 wins.
79 out of 81 wins, man. Look, if I had a horn, I'd hit the horn. Yeah. And then we looking at AUD USD. Looks like it's about to go up and retest that zone that we wanted to. It's moving real good. It's moving real good up there. So I just zoomed in a little bit to the 5-minute chart, so we can get a little bit more confluence on what we're looking at. We've got these moving averages here that sort of shows natural areas of support and resistance. And as AUD USD goes up, we see it approaching this yellow EMA here. This is the 50 moving average. I think it's actually an exponential moving average. And what that is that's sort of draws out areas of support and resistance. And it's interesting because that's exactly where we've drawn the range to be. So this could reject this area, and this is why we wait for the candles to close before we enter any positions. So if you're wondering, man, you looking at us and you're like, man, this thing is moving up. Why aren't they entering buys already? We're waiting for it to get above this purple zone. If you can look at Genius Mind's screen, you'll see that there's the candles are moving up towards this little line here. If you can see my cursor, the candles are moving up towards this little line here. And once that green candle starts to peek its head above that purple area, and the candles begin to close above that purple area, that's the point in time in which we're going to execute buys and execute entries, right? Because anything can happen. If you look back at the previous area, it went up and broke above this area, and then the next candle closed back below. That would have been a quick entry and exit, right? Because that happens also, and that's why you got to make sure that your stop losses and that your risk management is well intact. Because you can have perfect entries, but without perfect risk management, then you're playing half of the game. It's like playing basketball with only offense but no defense. Like, you can be scoring, but if you letting him score as many as he wants to too, you're not winning. You're not making no progress. So Your entries is half of the game, and your risk management is the other half of the game, which make the whole thing, a strategy that's winning. So the name of the game is staying profitable. What we talking about? We had the conversation one time, bro. We was talking about sending your soldiers into war, and like you wouldn't just, if you're the general of the army, man, you don't just say, I'm just gonna enter right here. I think it's gonna be a buy, so I'm gonna enter in the buy right now. Nah, you're not doing it like that, because you gotta consider your money as if it's your soldiers in the war, right? And you wouldn't just send your money or your soldiers out to the war without a strategic plan. And you definitely always have the goal to bring all of your soldiers home, right? So you don't want to leave any men on the battlefield, right? So we don't want to come home with less soldiers than we left home with, right? We want to actually come home with prisoners of war, right? We want to come home with profits. Right, they want to come back with the big bags, right? So we're trying to come in and we're trying to take what you have, right? But we don't want to do it. We don't want to do it haphazardly, as if we hadn't planned on how we're going to do this, right? Because trading can be just like war, man. And you can lose men, and if you continue to do the same thing over and over, you continue to lose men. All right. Something you have to do when you're trading, you have to pay attention to the clock. And right now we're looking at the 5-minute candles, and let's go back to the 15-minute charts. The 15-minute candle has broken above the range that we were just talking about. So in 1 minute, we're going to see closes. All right, LeBron does it again. In 1 minute, we're going to see closes above this range that we drew. And if this candle closes with a wick above this area, we're going to enter buys. If this candle closes with no wick, we can sort of expect that this candle will not, that the chart will not continue up. Let's see what kind of movement we got here. All right, so I am on the 15-minute time frame now. Candle shot up. We can watch for just a second. I'm going to enter this trade in a few minutes. I want to see it actually move back in my direction before I start entering. And we're going to see if it goes back into our direction, then we're going to give it a little bit more attention. But if it starts to break back into the range below here, then we're going to just wait. Just wait. We can't be too quick to hit the buy button.
We on TJ?
We're on AUD USD. AUD USD. All right. And there's going to be a lot of different charts that are looking like this, but each chart's moving independently. We are on AUD USD. We're looking at the chart. Man, now that I think about it, AUD, that is the Australian dollar. Sydney section. Is the Sydney session open right now during the Asian session? I believe it is, because we want to be looking at charts that are actually moving based on.
AUD USD?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a strong sell, bro.
That's a strong sell. And that's what I'm looking at. I'm looking at it rejecting this area right here. So we don't want to get in bias. It's showing us higher time frame analysis. Let's go higher time frame analysis here. 4-hour charts.
I'm looking at the daily chart.
On the daily chart, okay. Daily rejection of the area at 75 cents. Or no, it's about 77, 75, 78. On the dailies, just broke below. For the day, it is going to be, yeah, for the day, it is going to be a bearish. All right, so this is not going to do what we analyzed. And that was an enticing move to sort of bring more people in. We're going back into the range. Back into the range here. Bro said strong sales, huh? All right, so let's do this. All right, so here, let me fix everything right here. We got it all looking all sloppy. All right, So. Hey y'all, is the music playing? Yeah, music's still playing, right? Is that music too loud on the live stream? Let's see. Is it too loud? Is it over my voice? I can fix it. We're gonna go look at you. It's good? Alright, good.
Now see, go back to that last chart you had moved. I'm not sure what time frame we had on, but
That's the 30 minute.
based on the 30 minute though.
The 30 minutes jacking up. That's what I'm saying. That's why I analyze. See, I'm only really analyzing for short-term trades, 10 pips and in and out.
Okay, now see, that's the difference. See, I was looking at the daily charts, like if you were, one of the whole for the.
Yeah, and that's what I'm saying. It probably is going to continue down. But from this chart that we're on right now, it may go back up to retest the high of the day and then continue down. And let's look at that range to see if that's even enough range right now for us to be interested in it. That's exactly 10 pips to this moving average. We're going to try to trap some pips, but we don't want to get trapped ourselves. So it's kind of an interesting area because this area right here which was the support from yesterday, that's a range too. That's a range too, bro. And I think you might have a little lag on it might be about 10 seconds behind me on the YouTube. So you'll be seeing what I'm drawing now. But this is like a level that I think we're gonna go back up to tap into. Then it might start getting a little bit fuzzy after that too. So on the 5-minute chart, 5 minutes giving us straight bearish candle, wick down candles. What's going on, Ms. Drell? Peak Performance, how y'all doing? Thanks for chiming in. Just on here talking these charts, man. All right, so yo, we appreciate the support. All right. Let's see. So, bro, so that was like absolutely no wick to the top, bearish candle there. It's feeling pretty bearish to me.
Yeah.
It's feeling pretty bearish to me. So.
Let's see. I'm trying to see. Do I want to get to this trade or?
The AUDUSD and the sell. Let's see. So we still working off that expired pip worker too. All pip workers showing sales currently on the 5 minutes and above. Yeah. Hadn't got that 4-hour pip worker. I got a feeling that 4-hour pip worker is about to pop up soon. It's gonna be strong sales if that happens. So let's see. Let's look at this candle here, and we're gonna see how this candle closes. This 5-minute candle did just break above the previous 5-minute candle's bearish candle, and we got a straight bullish candle right now, ripping above the previous 2 candles, which might give us momentum to continue up. Yo. Bro, you seen any movies lately, bro?
I watched the Ghost Marathon on Valentine's Day.
A ghost marathon, like scary movies?
Marathon that just played over and over again.
Like Ghost? Like the acting with Whoopi Goldberg?
Like Whoopi Goldberg.
Patrick Swayze. Bro, over here on the Ghost. Hey, I just downloaded and just reinstalled the Kodi on my Fire Stick just to do it. Kodi, yeah, it's this little thing where you can watch all the movies and TV shows, pay-per-view, all this stuff. Just downloaded that, so got a chance to cut on that Judas and the Black Messiah, but I didn't even actually. You saw it? I ain't get to see it yet.
I haven't seen it.
Yeah, I keep every time I see people keep hitting like they'll write like Judas and the Black Messiah, and they'll put like the little face emoji on there, and I'm like, that shit keep enticing me, bro. Like I really want to see it, but for some reason it just didn't pull up. Like it was playing and then it just cut off. So I put on the simple things.
That's the one about the Black Panthers, right?
Yeah. But I put on that Denzel Washington movie, The Simple Things. So that's what's playing right now. I'm gonna have to go back and catch back up to what I missed. But yo, like I said, guys, we're on here just for a little bit of time every day, man. Just to talk about these charts, to talk about what's been going on. I actually want to pull up, bro. I'm gonna pull up. I'll be right back, bro. Let's see. All right, so we'll be having major conversations. You know what? I'm gonna actually not do that. There we go. We're gonna come back. Yeah, we don't need everybody all in the chat. Hey man, ribs. Anybody else snowed in? Bruh, all the snow is completely melted in Birmingham, bro. It's gone. All of it. That shit's gone. It's just like a memory. It's like a memory, bro.
Like 10 inches of snow outside.
Not over here. The real flippening. What they talking about on here, man? The real flipping. Let's see. Bitfinks on TradingView. It's got an article here. No one is talking about it. Bitcoin flippings. What? Bitcoin flipping silver very soon. 71.5K of Bitcoin equals 1.5 trillion market cap equals silver. So Bitcoin, if it reaches 71.5K, according to what my guy here is saying, Bitcoin is going to have more value than silver. And it's still not reaching, like, it's not getting the respect, I guess, that it needs in the world. So like all of this stuff, man, is just making me feel like it's time to buy. It's been time to buy. It should have been time to buy when it was at 15,000. Like,
you gotta buy it. You gotta buy it and then do a petty cash. Well, just forget about it, man.
Exactly. And that's the whole move. People trying to trade it.
Take like a huge deal, which is not gonna do.
I mean, we got to catch them when they come and not panic when they come, because a lot of people got out of their Bitcoin because of the dip that happened on Friday or Sunday or whatever. And I'm just like, come on, man, this thing dropped. Bro, it dropped like 3,000 points or something, which is nothing. Sitting at 47,000 and it went down to 44,000 or something like that. And people start selling the Bitcoin, man. It's like, that's just giving you the opportunity to enter at a better position. So don't freak out, Just don't watch it. All the day traders, man, they sit up and they want to get in and out of these coins, man. Hold on to your coins, bro, and come back to them in 2030, man. Come back to them in 2030. It's gonna be a different world, bro. Like, for real. And you're gonna be like, whoa. So, but yeah, they said Bitcoin will officially be the middleweight champion of the world. Gold, Bitcoin, then silver. Next is going to be Bitcoin, gold, then silver. We are early right now. Right? Cashed out of equities last month, all on Bitcoin. I mean, Smart people around here, right? There's a lot of smart people out here. Just looking at these charts right now, the predictions. A little play button. These ideas, pretty good ideas here. Basically what he's saying is it's going up. Let's look at that chart. Yeah, I'm on Trading View. See, it was market. Hold on, so I'm confused at what he's looking at, because right here what he's looking at is saying that Bitcoin is currently got a value of 100K. But that's not what but up top here it's saying 49,290. So I'm not sure what this screen captures of. It says Bitcoin, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure what he's looking at. Oh, you know what this is? This is the overlay. So he's got silver, gold, and Bitcoin all overlaying on one chart. I see what's going on. I see what he did. Okay. Interesting. Hey, it's coming soon, guys. It's coming soon. What's happening, Nelson, man? We're trying to just have some money talk up in here. Trying to figure out what's going on in the market. Which direction should we be going in? We got no pre-established opinions on this stuff, man. We're just analyzing back and forth. I guess the only pre-established opinion about the market is that Bitcoin is going up. Bitcoin is going up. You know, you got Webull, you got Robinhood.com, Robinhood account. You got all of that, man. Take a look at your crypto sector, man, and diversify between, I would say, no less than 5 cryptos, and let it sit, man, for like 5 years, man. We all remember, bro. You remember when we was back watching the little vlog that Nipsey Hussle put together. It was like 5-10 years. I don't even remember how long ago it was, bro. He went to like London to buy some crypto. You remember that?
Like it was like 2017, 2018.
It was before then. It had to be before then, because I think he died in like 18, so it was like 3 or 4 years before he died for sure. You know, it was way before before the Marathon album and all that stuff, right? So, yeah, man, he was telling us what to do then, man, and he had the right idea, you know. And what we was doing, nobody really knew what he was talking about, but he had those type of people around him giving him that information. So, you know, we're trying to help get y'all the information. Y'all might not be quite sure what we talking about. We talking about these currencies. We're talking about the transition from the regulated currencies and there being different currencies and monies in different countries to there being, you know, one, or not one, but currencies that don't have to be exchanged in value. And that's the value in the cryptocurrency. It's one rate, untraceable money, but very secure money. It's Bitcoins. All right, guys. We hit the 8 o'clock hour. Not a whole lot going on here today. Just talking back and forth. You know, we haven't really taken any trades here this week. It's been pretty volatile in the markets.
Oh no, bro, I'm taking at least 81 trades.
How many? 81. Yeah, you
81.
did. Bro said gold buys. Nelson said gold buys. So you know what? We gotta pull it up, right? Bro said gold buys. I see. I think you're right. Oh my God. I think he's right.
Oh, yeah.
I think he's right. Hey, look, we're gonna blame Nelson for this, And remember, guys, pay attention to the scroller marquee at the bottom of the screen. This should be taken as a educational and entertaining information only. This stream is not meant to be used for financial advice, and it's not meant to be used as a signal service for you guys. Do your own analysis on any trades that you're taking. You are responsible and liable for any losses that are done on your own account. Do not call the pip trappers if your trades do not pan out. Money management is the only way to maintain your profitability. Okay, it's looking like we might take. You said take profit? Oh, I was going to say, well, you entered it and got out quicker than. Let's see, I'm going to zoom down on the 1 minute. I said, bruh said take profit. I didn't even know we was in there yet.
Before I get in, it needs to break above 1793. 04. 1793.04. Once it break above that right now.
That's the next counter. And why is that you get that off of the range from?
If you look at the 30-minute chart.
Okay.
It defines the range for the resistance. Once it goes for 1793.04 on the 30-minute chart, then it's gonna be breaking the resistance.
Is that the top of the wick on the previous candle? The previous bullish on the 30? See that 2 candles ago, that green wick, the tip of that one? Because it looked like we might have already been that far. On my charts, it's showing me that we are at, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit, because it's turning around a little bit right now. It looked like it was just there. Where is, see, oh, I see 1793.04. I got it right here marked out on the chart.
Yeah, that was 3 hours ago. 3 hours ago.
Yeah.
It's bearish candle.
On the hour chart, 3 hours ago. The top of that candle. 3 hours ago on gold. We on XAU USD.
Yeah, I was looking at it. I was based on the 30-minute chart.
You know what? This is the minute chart I just went back to. I was just looking at the hour chart. So on the minute chart and the 5 minute, I really hate going down to the 1 minute chart. But on the 5 minute, we have broken above the, we broke above the 50 moving average on gold. And we're sitting above the range where 5 minute candle just closed in the bullish area above all previous ranges. I'm going to go ahead and enter a buy. There. Trying to match it up with my chart. Yeah, we're there. Okay. Buy there. At 1792.57. I entered the buy at 1792.57. And we're gonna have our take profit at 1793.57. 10 pips. Oh yes, sir. Oh yes, sir. Oh yes, sir. Yes, sir. So we're gonna go back and we're gonna type that in. Let's see. Full screen.
Gold buys, right?
Yes, sir. At what price did I say? At 1792.57.
Which one? Which one? The two position?
at 1793.57. Enter. Done. Okay. And it looks like TP is about to get taken. It's about to get tapped. Go ahead, tap it. Go ahead, tap it. Man, don't retrace back. Go ahead, tap. Of course, if we see this thing break. Let's see. So close. So close. All right, we're going to go ahead and. Had to get out of it. So close. So close. But hey, the name of the game is no drawdown, no losses, protecting the account. So Nelson, you was right, bro. Hey, that thing did go in the right direction. If y'all wonder what we're looking at, go to the link in my bio. We are live on YouTube right now. If you actually want to review the whole live stream, of course it will be posting as soon as we get off. We do this from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. every night, weeknights mostly, some nights on the weekends, trading cryptocurrencies. So everybody on Instagram, thank y'all for chiming in tonight. Hit that like button and go to the YouTube channel, the link in my bio, and go ahead and subscribe and like the stream there. Anyone involved in the chats today, you have been featured on the YouTube stream tonight, man, and we appreciate your participation. So on that note, John, I'm gonna check out. I appreciate you for coming on with me, bro. It's a lot more interesting when we got somebody to bounce these ideas off of, man. So I appreciate you, bro. And anybody else that wants to get on the stream tomorrow, drop me that DM, and we can make it happen. No problem, bro. All right, guys. Hey, y'all have a good night, man. We're gonna check out. It's been fun.